All right, I want to talk to you about 3, 5, and 7. These are some ideas that you're going to be able to apply to your time and stress management. Now, if you're like me, you might have gone a little complacent, you might have gotten a little comfortable, maybe even a little lazy, making some mistakes, and just feeling like time is just going by. And this applies to my running. I've been running consistently for years, consistently the same distances, and consistently I've been getting slower. Now, a lot of it's got to do with age, but more importantly, it's got to do with I stopped shaking it up. I stopped mixing up my pace. And so I'm here at the track because I'm here to focus on mixing up my pace. And here's where the 3, 5, 7 comes in and how you're going to be able to apply this without having to go to a track. 3 out of 10 means that this is my warm-up pace. And in work, this is the time to reflect. Going at a pace at a 3, time to think, ponder, and mill about the ideas without distraction. Let the ideas just flow. Have pen and paper handy as you jot them down. 5 is where you start moving those ideas into maybe an outline, into those big ideas and narrowing that down. And at 5 pace, at 5 out of 10 is where I start moving. And then a 7 or 8 out of 10 is where I start going at a sprint. I'm really in the flow. And this is maybe 10, 15 minutes of really going at that flow rate. And then afterwards, you go back to either a slow pace, slow it down, or take a minute to just catch your breath, stretch, and then restart. It'd be amazing how much stuff you get done when you do the 3, 5, 7 and you build up your resilience, your resistance, and your motivation.